Awesome, I'm always ready for an adventure. All those trickles of water have collected, and now we have a small stream.
Yeah, we've moved downstream a bit, but you can see that we're still under this nice, wonderful forest canopy here, right?
Okay, I've got a riddle for you.
A riddle? Really? All right, bring it on.
So, what's as new as a dewdrop, but as old as the earth? Okay, I've got another clue. What can make itself new over and over again?
I know where you're going with this one. The water cycle.
That's right.
All right, so I know you've learned a bit about the water cycle, so why don't you give us a tour?
Okay, you may think that every drop of rain that falls from the sky, or each glass of water that you drink is brand new, but it's always been here, and it is a part of the water cycle. The water cycle describes how water moves around the earth, then changes form as liquid water, ice, or gas. Life on, in, and above the earth depends on the water cycle. The heat of the sun provides energy to make the water cycle work. The sun evaporates water from the oceans into the water vapor. This invisible vapor rises into the atmosphere, where the air is colder. The water vapor condenses into clouds. Air currents move clouds all around the earth. Water drops form in clouds, and the drops then fall to the earth as precipitation, such as rain and snow. In cold climates, precipitation builds up as snow, ice, and glaciers. Snow can melt and become runoff, which flows into rivers, the oceans, and into the ground. Some rain soaks into the ground as infiltration and recharges groundwater. Rainfall on land flows downhill as runoff, providing water to lakes, rivers, and oceans. Water from lakes and rivers can also seep into the ground. Water moves underground because of gravity and pressure. Some ice evaporates directly into the air, skipping the melting phase. This is known as sublimation. Groundwater close to the land surface is taken up by plants. Some groundwater seeps into rivers and the lakes and can flow to the surface as springs. Plants take up groundwater and evapotranspire, or evaporate it, from their leaves. Some groundwater goes very deep into the ground and stays there for a long time. Groundwater flows into the oceans, keeping the water cycle going.
Thanks for that explanation, Della.